Hello students, today we are with chapter number 5 of Computer Qbasic Graphics and Sound, and the points that we are going to discuss in the chapter are screen command, color command, preset command, line command, circle command, paint command and sound effect. So as the name indicates, graphics and sound, this chapter we will be dealing how the graphics, that is the pictures, can be drawn in Qbasic. But it is to be noted that in Qbasic you cannot make all type of pictures. You can make only simple geometrical patterns like lines, triangles, squares, rectangle, ellipses. These are the graphics that we can make in Qbasic. Now whenever we have to make any graphic or whenever we have to display something on this screen, that is done with the help of pixel. Now let us understand what the pixel is. Pixel is the small dot of which any image or the text is made up of. You can say this is the smallest unit of which the text or the graphics are made up of. And on a screen, how many pixels are there, that decides the resolution of the screen. So resolution means that how many pixels are there on the screen of your computer or of your mobiles. Now the resolution will depend on, we said, pixels. These pixels are arranged in rows and columns. If we say the resolution is 320 by 200, this means that there are 320 pixels horizontally, that is in the rows, and 200 pixels vertically, that is in the columns. Higher the resolution, more will be the clarity of the picture. The image, the picture will be sharp. And if the resolution is low, the clarity will not be there. Resolution means number of pixels. Low resolution means less number of pixels. High resolution means more number of pixels. So everything depends on the pixel. So when we have to make graphics, we need to arrange these pixels. But before arranging the pixels, we need to tell the computer that we are going to make a picture. Otherwise it understands, especially this Qbasic we are talking about, Qbasic will understand that we are writing the text. To explain that we are going to make the pictures, we have to make the use of a command which is known as screen command. So this screen command is used to set the visual display mode and the size of program's window. The syntax is screen mode number. Mode number is the integer value. This integer value varies from 0 to 2 and 7 to 13, as you can see over here. When by default we do not write anything, it is a screen 0, and screen 0 means text screen. We will not be able to draw any picture on this screen, rather we will be able to write only the text on this screen. And if you have to draw pictures, then you need to have the screen from 2 to 17. So you can see screen 1, this is also graphic. When we write the command screen 1, that means we are going to make picture, we are going to have graphics. And for screen 1, resolution of the screen is 320 by 200. But the colors available will be only 4. Similarly for screen 2, if you write the command screen 2, that also means that we are going to have graphic and resolution is 640 by 200. And here you will get only 2 colors on the screen. You get screen 7. This is also graphic screen, but the resolution is 320 by 200. You can see screen 1 also has got resolution 320 by 200. Screen 7 also 320 by 200. But the difference is in the colors, number of colors. Here you are given 4 colors, whereas here you are given 16 colors. That's the difference between them. Further you can see there are more screens given, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and so on. All these are for the graphic. There is a difference of the resolution here. You can see all these share the same resolution, 640 by 400. These two screens, they have the 16 colors available, while these two, 10 and 11, they have 2, while screen 12 have 16 color again, but the resolution is 640 by 480. And screen 13 is the one which is going to give you the maximum number of colors, that is 256, and screen resolution is also good, 320 by 200. So this way you can make use of the screen command. You will choose the screen, which type of screen you are going to work with. Then we have the color command. This color command is used when you have to give the color to the foreground and the background. By default there are no colors. By default only we have two colors, either it is white or gray. But if you wish to give the number, if you wish to give the color, you have to give the command color and then you have to give the number to the color. Here we don't have the names of the color, rather we are going to write the numbers for the colors. As you can see, color codes are there. 0 color code is for black, 1 is for dark blue, 2 is for green, 3 for cyan, 4 for red, 5 for magenta and so on. All the color codes are given and what color do they represent, that is given over here. How to write? You will be writing it somewhat like this as it is given in the example. Color 10, print something is better than nothing. Here we wrote color 10 and color 10 means light green. So when you will write this command, something is better than nothing, this will appear on the screen in light green color. So this way we can make use of foreground color. But here we have not given this for the background color. Now let us see, if we have to give the background color, how should this command be modified? For background color, this command is modified like as color, you will give foreground color code, then you will give background color code. Here you can see color 10, 9. 10 is the foreground color, 9 is the background color. When we will run this small little program in Qbasic, we will get the message welcome to the world of graphics printed on the screen. And because the foreground was red, so this message will be printed in red color and the background will be light blue because we have written 9. So this way we can make use of the color command to give foreground and background colors to the screen as well as to the text that is written on the screen or the one that you have made the program for. This video we will do till here and we will continue in the next video with more commands.